So let's install Express using npm. So let's create a demo directory, and using npm install Express, we'll install Express into this directory. If you notice that it would be fetching a lot of modules, and then continue with the installation. When a node module is installed, it creates a node_modules directory in the current working directory. Now we'll find that it has an Express folder, which in turn has a node modules folder. If you navigate to this folder, you will find that it in turn has a number of other modules. So it is a hierarchy of modules, each with their own dependencies, which are handled by npm.